Set regular time routine. A regular routine is a series of activities that you do at the same time every day. Be punctual. Punctuality is important because it makes us disciplined. Cultivate reading habit. It develops our mind and gives you too much knowledge and lessons of life. Practice to be independent. Provide students with opportunities to self-monitor. Enjoy meals together. Enjoyable experience and opportunities for family members. Do not lie. If we say lie words, we lose our freedom, family, job and friends. Importance to prayer. Prayer can just simply mean communication with God. Thank you.